Hi guys. Yeah, so I cleaned the garage, obviously, after small scooter project. I decided that it's time to be clean. I had a party here a couple of nights ago and a lot of spilled drink and stuff like that. So I need to clean it a little bit, but also some tools and stuff. And yeah, so I think it's a good time to have a little update on the garage. And all in all, I really believe we are done, you know. So this garage needs just some extra tools. I don't see anything that I missed except tools here. There is no space, and yeah, that's the problem. This is like some 5 meters length and maybe 3 meters wide. So yeah, it's not a big garage, and in the small garage I want the sitting area, I want the area for working, bench, bikes, tools, yeah, equipment. You need to be very careful how you put it everything if you want to have any sort of control over the stuff in it. Of course, big help is this shelf around it. From the top there is a ton of stuff, but even if it maybe doesn't look like now, there is reason behind it, and everything is labeled, and I know where to find most of the things now. And I want you to help me with this. Now is the matter of this working bench, so working table for the motorcycles. I mean, it's great, don't get me wrong, it's stable. I use large beams, 2 tables that you just connect with a thread rod and work perfectly. I'm really considering removing it from garage, at least for some time, because I need space. I will have a couple of my friends will bring their bikes here, will work on them. Okay, scooter I can move in front of the garage. If I will not sell it, I will use it and it will be in front of my house. So scooter is not a problem. Yamaha will never go from my garage, so every other bike here is a guest. Yamaha here is a homeowner, and she will never leave my garage. So she will stay here, but if I remove this table, I can put and remove this shelf. You can collapse this shelf, so we can put the Yamaha there, because I have this shelf here, and I cannot use this space for anything else, so put it Yamaha there a bit, and then I would have this main large area for working on bikes. If I leave this workbench, put the bike on it and put it in the middle, okay, I can put Yamaha there, but then nothing else can be here. And if I put Yamaha without the workbench, if I put Yamaha there, even 2 bikes can be here without the problem. Yeah, So that's the main conundrum now. What to do? Tell me in the comments if you have some suggestion for me. I'm willing to hear it. So other things in garage, well, mostly I change where is what tool. So some tools that I don't use a lot, I move in this right side, and the tools that I use a lot, put it right on this main part of the bench. Bench was meant that you will use the center part of the bench, but somehow garage have its own life and it will dictate you where you work. So mostly of all these surfaces I work here. That's simply, I don't know why, but yeah, probably because of the bikes and the workbench and stuff like that, I always use this left part of the workbench. I put this little cabinet that my neighbor here left it and gave me for free, so I just painted it and put the labels and put the tool in. Of course we have other cabinet, but look, it's perfect. And I put even the small wheels on it so I can remove it if needed. One major thing that I did is to sort all of my nuts, screws, shims and stuff like that, stuff for carburetors, rubber, electricity. I don't have it like by the number, like 8mm, 6mm and stuff like that. No, because I don't need that. I just need, like I have small shims, big shims, so in two, if I look on two places, I will find something, or if I don't find it, that means I don't have it. And that's the whole point. I didn't go and, do like by size and stuff like that. I'm not a professional mechanic and I don't need it. Same thing for these boxes under it. Notice that I search a lot for stuff, and now everything is sorted and I know where to find it. So that's the big thing, and I spend whole day just sorting that out from 10 different places. I remove some things, I add some things, and now, as I said, garage have its own life, and you need to know where something will be. It will best be pruned by time. So for example, this dread mill I use really a lot, so it's right there beside my workbench, and I don't know, drill on the stand I use very rare, so I move it all the way there. So yeah, I buy this cool bottle for whiskey, so if you come in my garage you'll have a whiskey from the Skull. And I'm planning to make some cushions on this bench. I just use blankets now, and my wife had a comment that it doesn't fit in the garage, and I'm a good guy and listen to my wife, so she gave me motive to do something here. We'll see about that. We'll have small project. And probably you saw on my videos, this wall gets dirty very often. So I just had the idea, to use these posters and that I had and give them printed and then put them. I even have Yamaha from my rides. Yeah, and give them, put them on the wall so wall doesn't get dirty. I mean, garage function very, very well, and you know, I even sorted some small things like key holders and this shoe spoon. I don't know how you say it in English, but if you don't have this in your garage, believe me, you are not old enough. This is like mandatory for the old guys as me. I put the second ventilator on our ventilation system because I was not happy how ventilation was before, and now it's do really good job, and you know, I'm happy for now. Yeah, this baseball bat is also one more details. I have a lot of, you know, this taxi sign, horn. I even put this taxi light, you know, and I have this light put on. I have the bulb in there just for fun. I like to do shit like this in the garage. Just for, you know, when you come to garage, it said donations for beer. So there's always a full fridge of beer. Be free to put some money in there. Hopefully one day we will have hydraulic workbench, you know. It's some 500-600 euros. If we earn some money from project like scooter or something, one of the first thing that I will do is buy myself a hydraulic table, you know, workbench. That's it, guys. Hope you like it. My garage. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. See you guys. Bye.